Potential groundbreaking medical research happening here at home. State grants are making it possible right from the very beginning. KTTC's Ryder Blair spoke with a few of the grant recipients at Mayo Clinic. Ryder.
Well, Caitlin, the Minnesota Partnership Program annually awards millions of dollars in state grants. 4 of the collaborative research partnerships at Mayo Clinic and the University of Minnesota have received a total of $3 million in funding. I spoke to 3 of the 4 partnerships who use these funds to kickstart the discovery stages of their research. Mayo Clinic's Chair of Physiology and Bioengineering, Dr. Y.S. Parkish, says the grant program helps position Minnesota as a world leader of medical biotechnology.
It invites applications from either University of Minnesota or the Mayo Clinic, but always with a partner at the other organization.
Mayo Dr. Laura Rogers and her research partner at the University of Minnesota used the funding to research ways to protect healthy cells from cancerous tumor cells and the immunosystem.
And so when we alter the microbiome, we're able to induce these same sorts of immune-related adverse events, and then we can actually start to understand what's causing it.
Mayo Dr. Darren Baker, his partner at U of M, and his team of 9 are using the funds to research the correlation between obesity and Alzheimer's disease.
How this neuroinflammatory process could be driving some of these issues, and whether or not there are strategies that we can do to intervene in the process when we know that there's things that are predisposing or putting people at risk.
Mayo Clinic Dr. Esther Lutkins and her partner are using $750,000 from the funds to reduce inflammation in the heart from cardiovascular diseases.
So we're using mice, we're using cells, we're using human specimens. We actually try to set a basis and find mechanisms in cells and mice, and then we try to extrapolate that to human tissues and human cells.
Dr. Parkish says this award program strengthens relationships between Mayo and the University of Minnesota.
Importantly, it incorporates the strengths, the mutual strengths of the University of Minnesota and Mayo folks, and it'll sort of help us cement the relationship between the 2 institutions a lot stronger.
When the partnership studies are concluded, the pairs will bring their findings to a group of scientific reviewers. The partnerships will then hope to receive more funding to enter the next phase of their research. Live in the studio, Ryder Blair, KTTC News.